so today I'm going to be doing a haul video because I did some damage to my bank account. I hadn't bought makeup in such a long time, so I went a bit crazy, so I thought I'd share with you all what I bought. It is mainly high end. I have got some other bits and bobs as well, but I wanted to try a lot of new makeup, so I bought it. So to begin, I bought something from Lowdon. I have got a really big bag, however I didn't actually buy that much. I bought one thing, and that was this set. It is the skincare Try Me kit with deep cleansing mask, skin type for combination oily, because I do have oily skin, so I thought I'd give this a go. I've heard nothing but good stuff about Lowdon. It's got the hot cross cleanser in, the skin tonic, which is like the toner, it's got the face mask in, and the moisturiser, and I have used this. I just started using it last night and I do really like it, but I'm just going to see how it goes because I just wanted to give it a try out because I've heard nothing but good things. So the next from Clarins, I got this Radiance Plus Golden Glow Booster, and you mix a few drops of this into your moisturiser and then just rub it on your face. It's for your face and it's just like a self tanner. It is amazing. I love this so much, especially in the winter months because I'm so pale at the minute, like absolutely no tan. So this saves us. It just gives my skin more colour, and it does just give us a bit more of a healthy glow because I do look severely unhealthy in the winter. So I am loving this just to mix in every day with my face moisturiser, and you can mix it in with any moisturiser, so that's even better. I bought just a contour brush. This is the Spectrum Contour Brush A05, and it says it's vegan, which is great. I mean, I'm not a vegan, but if you're into that stuff, it's a vegan brush. What? I also just got some dry shampoo. This is the Batiste. I've always used this one. It's just for on days, like say if I'm not washing my hair, I will just put some of this in. I was running out of it, so I just needed a bit of a topper. Got the Wispy Ardell Demi eyelashes, and these ones are amazing. I used them in my last makeup video, and these are the ones that I love. You can rewear them a lot, so I obviously haven't used these yet because I am still using my old ones, but you can wear these multiple times, and these ones are my favourite. So these are the double Demi Wispies. Love them. Moving on, I went to MAC. I have got other stuff in here as well. So this is from Urban Decay actually. So this is the Naked Skin One and Done. This is more of like a BB cream, just because I always use the Naked Skin foundation, but I've been using that like every time I go out, like even if it's during the day, and sometimes I just don't want that. I want something a bit lighter, so I bought the Naked Skin One and Done, and I have used this. I used it today. It's on my face and I do really like it. It is very similar to the foundation, but it is lighter coverage and it has SPF in, so if you are wearing it like in the summer during the day. I also went to Kat Von D and I bought their Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I've never bought anything from hers before, and this is in the colour Ludwig. And this is just like a really natural, it's like quite pink as well actually, but it stays on so well. I tried it last night and it was amazing, and it's just a really nice colour. I'll keep trying like loads of different nude lipsticks, and this is really nice, but it is very matte, but I did really like this. And then actually to get on to the MAC stuff, I did finally buy the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Finally. I know it's been out forever, but I've always used the Urban Decay setting spray, but I wanted to give the Prep and Prime a go, so I bought this, and this is just the original one. I didn't want to like have anything scented or anything, so I just got the original Prep and Prime, and I've used it today, and so far I really like it. From MAC, I also got the Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. This is basically just for my contour, just because I use either the Hoola, or I've got this one from New Look that I always use, but I wanted to try something with a bit more shimmer in it, just for a bit of a glow. So I'm excited to try this out a lot more. It was one of the best sellers, so I just thought, you know what, it's in stock, I'm gonna get it. And then last but not least from MAC, I got the Velvet Teddy lipstick, and I'm actually quite disappointed in it. Like, I thought it was gonna be the most amazing nude because I've never been able to get my hands on it, and it was in stock, so I bought it, and it is a lot darker than I thought and quite deep. However, I will obviously wear it. I love nude lipsticks, but I don't think it's all that it was cracked up to be. But you can never have too many lipsticks, especially nude lipsticks. I love a good nude lippy. And then I also got the Real Mascara by Benefit. I always use this one, like always. I've never used another mascara in like actual years, and I find that once it is starting to run out it goes quite dry and it doesn't go on the way that it normally does, so I bought a new one. It is definitely my #1 piece of makeup, the Real mascara, like forever. Finally I got the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, and it is very pricey but I've heard nothing but amazing stuff about this, and I wanted to try more of a glowy primer, so I bought this and I have used it today and I do really like it. I feel quite glowy and I can't wait to use this a bit more, just because I've never bought anything from Charlotte Tilbury before other than her lipstick, and I do really like it as a brand, and I think it is more up and coming. It never used to be like a really big brand, but now it seems to be really taken off, so I'm pleased I bought this and I can't wait to try it out a bit more. So that is everything that I bought. I hope you all enjoyed it. I feel like I had bought a lot more than I actually had, which is good because I thought I had like really overdone it. But I did just really want to try some new makeup because it is quite rare that I will kind of go on a spree with buying makeup, just because I kind of stick to the same makeup that I've got. I get a product that I love and then I'll never really change it. I like try and find something else. So anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you all in the next one. Adios.